Wherever you're watching, you are highly welcome to this BODMAS Maths Challenge. So you can feel free to like, leave a comment with an alternative approach. So here we are told it's a tricky BODMAS challenge where we're given that 12 divided by 3 times 5 minus 3 should be equals to what? So you can comment. Comment where you're watching from. So for this case, you are told that 12 divided by 3 times 5 minus 3 squared. So what do you think the possible answer to this tutorial is? So you can just comment down. And where are you watching from? So 12 divided by 3 multiplied by 5 minus 3. What do you think the possible answer is? It's indeed a very tricky BODMAS challenge. We are told to solve by 3 multiply by, in bracket, 5 minus 3 squared. So thank you for those who are coming. Thank you for liking the live. Please remember, and here we have the what if account, and you're saying what if account is saying what is BODMAS, and BODMAS is indeed it means bracket and then of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So what do you think the answer to this particular equation is? Maldi Metashar. Think you're saying that the answer gonna be 4 by 14, and lol I.3u is saying the answer should be 16. Thank you guys. Just comment, tap the screen to leave a like as we brainstorm on how to solve this 12 divided by 3, then multiply by the product of 5 minus 3 to the squared. What do you think this challenge is? We have Radzian Henry. Thank you so much for coming. You're saying that this is gotten by taking the product of 4 multiplied by 4. 4 multiplied by 4, you're getting 16. Thank you for coming. Thank you for liking. I really appreciate everyone wherever you're watching. Madi Metal, you're saying 4 by 16. 4 by 16 or 416. So guys, I really appreciate those who are coming through. Comment where you're watching from. You can super chat us. You can super thank us. I really appreciate those who to like the live. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone who is liking the live. Remember to comment. And we have at Menzabrina is 1. So please show us how you're gonna get 1. How do we get 1 from this? 12 divided by 3 multiplied by the product of 5 minus 3 squared. Just comment how you are showing us or how we're gonna get that. We have Chefir. Chefir, thank you. Chefir is saying the answer could be 64 or 4. So guys, how is 64 coming through? And Egan, thank you. Where are you watching from? I'll really appreciate if you like the live. You're saying that your answer is 1. So how is 1? How do you get 1 from this particular equation? Eganzo, Lakshmi, the output to this is 16. So please show us how do we get 16 from this. You know that 12 divided by 3. Abu Haider, I'm very grateful you watched. Thank you for coming once again. Abu Haider, you're saying if it was divide by 3, and then in bracket 5 minus 2 squared, then the answer will be 1. But here, the answer of yours question, you're saying the answer. Who else has got a different way of how we're gonna get the answer? Lakshmar Msinge, you're welcome. Where are you watching from? You can like the live. Lakshmi Munasinge, you are saying that, so you've explained to us well. 16. So those who are watching for the first time, like Munir Nawab, you're saying hello too. Just remember to like the live, comment. I'm very grateful. Lakshmi Munasinge, you're saying that we're gonna take 12 divided by 3 is equals to 4. You're saying taking 2 squared, you shall end up with 4. And on this other side, we got 4. And taking the product, 4 multiplied by 4. Lakshmi, you're saying the answer is equals to 16. Munir Nawab, you're saying hello. Munir, you're very new. Thank you for coming. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment. You can super thank us. You can super chat us towards the growth of this channel. Lakshmi Munasinge, I'm very grateful. Thank you for explaining this step by step. So who else is getting a different opinion of 12 divided by 3 multiplied by the bracket 5 minus 3 to the squared? So those who are watching for the first time, please, you can like this live. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm from Kenya, and I'm very grateful that you are alive. Judy Burgess, you're saying your answer to this particular equation is 1. So Judy, kindly show us how you're gonna get 1 to this tricky BODMAS challenge. and we are told the challenge is from the UK and the US. Abu Haider, welcome again. You are very supportive. You're saying that there's a huge difference between 5 divided by 3 in bracket 5 minus 1 and 12 divided by 3 times 5 minus 2. As in the first one is 3, and the first one 3 is taken out of a common from bracket, and the second one 3 is multiplied by the bracket. Thank you for the good highlight. Thank you for the good highlight. Austin, you're saying your answer gonna be 16. Thank you for coming. You are new. Please like, subscribe, comment just where you're watching this challenge for. And you're saying that there is no difference. Austin Dealer is arguing that there is no difference. There is no difference. And keep all. You're saying you met you again. And keep Paul, where are you going? Thank you for commenting. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you. You are a very great team. MV is saying 4 by 4. We shall get 16. Abu is saying that there is also a very big difference, and that the first one is a common taken out that comes out of BODMAS, and the second one is multiplied. Second one is multiplied. Abu Haider, you are very, very supportive. Abu Haider is saying, you're from India, and I used to teach Indians here. It's faculty. Thank you. Keep on sharing that experience with us. Abu Haider. You are very, very, very supportive to the growth of this channel. Austin Dealer is saying that off is the same as multiplication, which is true. When you have off, multiplication, and Abu Haider is saying that Austin exactly off is equals to multiplication, but if there is off and the multiplication together, let's do off first. You must do off first, since multiplication is also the same as off. Multiplication is also the same as off, so we start with off. Austin Dealer, thank you for the support, and here you are saying that 3 multiplied by 2 is equals to 2 plus 2 plus 2, of course, which is the same as 3 times 2. There's no difference. Just in explanation, there's no difference between, it is indeed true that there's no difference between 3 in brackets 2 and 3 multiplied by 2. Austin, will you do a first or will you square first? According to you, we have John Obinyan. You're saying that your answer is 1. Saying your answer to this equation is 1. So kindly, Obinyan, tell us, John Obinyan, please show us how we're going to get 1 in this equation. Is there a way we're going to get 1? Abu Haider is saying that there's no context. Then your answer is 16. Then is saying the answer is 16. Abu Haider, that there is no context of the square. Here you're saying that the talk is off. And multiplication, there's no difference. Then thank you. You're saying that 12 divided by 3 is equals to 4. And then taking the square of 5 minus 3 squared. Of course, you want to get also 4. And then taking the product of 4 and 4. You're saying that we're going to get 16. Thank you, guys. Those new viewers, feel at home. You can support our live by liking, comment. Tropical Storm, always very appreciative for the support. Tropical Storm, you can support by liking the live, giving it a super chat or a super thanks, so that we can acquire a stand. We can acquire a stand for the tutorial and stream. And also, if possible, we can acquire a camera. We shall really appreciate. Tropical Storm, I am saying that, Austin, that you understand that 5 minus 3 plus 5 minus 3 plus 5 minus 3 is the same as 3 in bracket 2. Thanks for those who are liking, giving us a like. We're gonna really appreciate. And 3 in bracket 2 and 3 times 2 are both multiplication, which is true. Concita, hello, welcome, Concita. Thank you for subscribing. Those who are new, please, we are highly appreciating the like. And comment. Abu Haider is saying 12 divided by 3 in bracket 5 minus 2 is that, and you're saying that the answers are different. So I'd said it has a very huge difference in calculation. Hope I clear your doubt. Let me see. The first one, the answer is 4 over 3. But the second one, the answer is 12. Austin Dealer, thank you for remember to recall to them. Liking the live will also help us to reach more audience so that the discussion can be of help. I really like your support, Austin Dealer. I really appreciate it. I don't take it for granted. Those new subscribers, please, you can hit the bell. We usually do the live stream every day at this time. So Austin, I really appreciate. I'm gonna count on you. Sunita Verma, you extracted your message. Thank you so much. Austin Ali, you're saying you were most likely taught wrong because 3 in bracket 5 minus 2 is just multiplication and it's just done the same step as division. Sunita Verma, hello. How are you, Sunita? Really appreciate your effort and your support. You're saying 12 divided by 12 is 1. Austin Dealer, hey to Sunita. Austin, yes. You told Austin that you need someone face to face to make him understand. But it is very, very antagonistic. Austin, you are welcome. So guys, let us take the live to at least 10 likes. 10 likes. I really appreciate that. So Austin, how do we get 1? For those who are getting 1, what is the getting 1? Austin Dealer, let's help those who are getting 1 in this type of BODMAS challenge. Do we have a way we're gonna get 1? Okay. So Abu Haider is saying that you are not understanding, you're not getting what BODMAS means. So O stand for off. That is actually multiplication. O stands for off. And you're saying that O stands for off. That is actually multiply. And also M stands for multiplication. Multiplication. But we do off first in BODMAS before multiplication, which is right. We usually start with off and then we go to multiplication later. As for this, Linux, you're saying your answer is 16. Abu Haider, you're saying so study off in question and multiplication is multiply in question. Linux Pentag, thank you for coming through and supporting our live. You can super chat so that we grow together. Super chat, super thanks, so that we purchase a micro camera. Linux, you're saying it is very easy. Welcome. Hello, welcome. You're welcome. And you're saying the question is wrong. I think the question is wrong. There needs to be more brackets. There needs to be more brackets. Linux, hello. Saigon, Crystal, Chris Sakar. You're saying the answer is 1. Chris Sakar is saying the answer to this equation is 1. Saigon, you're saying the answer is 16. Austin Dilla, where exponents on BODMAS. So taking 12 divided by 3 in bracket 5 minus 2. If something is taken out from a bracket, it comes off. Now I understand Abu Haider. It's true. If it is outside the bracket, Linux, you're saying that 12 divided by 3 is 4 in bracket 5. 4 divided by 5 minus 3 squared. Then you times by 4, you're gonna get 16. And you're reminding us, Linux, that priority is inside the bracket. Darsan Ramesan, you're welcome. You're very new. Kindly like, comment where you're watching from, support by giving a thumbs up. Austin, I look it up and the O of the BODMAS stands for orders. No. doesn't stand for orders. O stands for off. That is how I know it. Austin Diller. Carbohydrate, the question has answer 16. If it was 12 divided by 3 in bracket 5 minus 3 squared, then the answer will be 1. So Austin is saying the O does not stand for off. I promise you I'm in algebra class 2. So Austin, what do you think O stands for what? Because with me I know it that O is off. Daniel Pedersen, welcome. Thank you for your comment. Saying the answer gonna be 16. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Andrea Beles. Andrea, you're saying your answer is 1. Daniel Pedersen, you're saying that the answer is equals to 100%. 16, you're sure with it. Sagu, very nice name. You're welcome. How are you? Where are you watching from? Sagasagu. And you've explained to us that 12 divided by 3 and in bracket 5 minus 3 squared, the answer is Abu Haider. You are welcome. You're saying, okay, it's 1:22 a.m. here. Time for sleep. Good night, guys. That is in India. Indian time. That is 1:22 a.m. Appreciate Abu Haider. You are very, very welcome. I really appreciate you've participated well. And let's meet maybe tomorrow when you'll be there live. Austin, so orders and off take place in the same step. You are most welcome. Sagasagu is also watching from India. Lakshmi Munasinge. And you're saying that according to BODMAS, first for B is bracket. So for our case here, we're gonna start with 5 minus 3 squared. We're gonna end up with 4. Secondly, we go to division, which is 12 divided by 3. I'm gonna get 4. And then thirdly, for M, then we're gonna multiply 4 by 4, which is 16, and the final answer you're saying it is 16. Adewaleo. Hello and welcome. Welcome to this stream. You're saying that your answer is 1. Please like the live. You can live the live. You can support by subscribing. I really appreciate it. Thank you. You can send a super chat so that we purchase a camera for this tutorial and live streams. And also appreciate Adewa Leojo. Adewa Leojo is watching from where? Who else is watching from Toronto, London, Pennsylvania, East Coast Inn. Hello and welcome. Thank you for coming through. You're very new. I really appreciate that. Keep supporting. You're saying that 27 what? East Coast Inn. East Coast Inn. East Coast Inn, you're saying that 27 square. Adewale Joe, welcome. Really appreciate everyone. And it's true, Adewale Joe has explained how we're gonna get one. You've explained it well how we're going to get as one, and you're saying that we're gonna follow BODMAS, and you're saying that the first B, we shall take 5 minus 3 squared, which is 4. And then secondly, you are saying, then we go for O. We go for O, which is 3 times 4, 12. And then thirdly, we're gonna divide 12 by 12. 12 by 12 to get 1. Yes, we have East Coast. You're saying you're still joking. I was wondering which type of question is that, but thank you for participating. I really appreciate. We have Darsan Ramesan. Darsan Ramesan is watching from where? I really appreciate. East Coast, where are you watching this live from? Where are you watching this live from? Thank you so much for also supporting. You are watching from Wakanda, which is also very nice. Wakanda is in which continent? Wakanda is in which continent? We have the Malakore. How are you? You are really welcome. Where are you watching from? We have Audislaya saying the answer is 8, and then you're saying again the answer is 16. Just show us how we're gonna get 16. How you are getting 16 for 12 divided by 3 times in bracket 5 minus 3 to the squared. So you can watch a series of the tricky BODMAS challenge and by subscribing, liking. We have a playlist, we have a tricky tutorial like this. Spiral honeycomb, how are you? Welcome. Thank you for coming through. I really appreciate. You're saying that first you're gonna need to calculate the parenthesis, which is this one. Yes, after calculating 5 minus 3, we're gonna get 2. Spiral honey, what next after that? What next after calculating the parenthesis? Where are you watching from? Kindly like the live. If you're new here, we really appreciate. You can super chat our channel. You can give this live a thumbs. And then we're gonna grow together. My good people, I really appreciate you. Spiral is saying that 5 minus 3, we're gonna get 2. And then taking 2 squared. 2 squared is 4. So here we have 4. 12 divided by 3 shall also get 4. Indeed, this is 4. And then 4 by 3 is 4. And then taking 4 by 4, you get 16. Outslays watching from where? You are highly welcome. Please subscribe so that you turn your notification on. Tomorrow you get a very notification whenever we are live. Spiral honeycomb. Then calculate the division. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Then multiply them by 4. You're gonna get 16. And then the answer is 16. East Coast is asking a very nice question. That do you think the universe is infinite, brother? From my capacity, the universe is also a typical infinite, because it contains a lot of things. It has also some wonders that will never stop. So on my end, the universe is also infinitely larger. Outslays. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. I hope you turn your notification on so that you're gonna get your notification whenever we are live tomorrow. East Coast, hi. Welcome. Where are you watching from? You're saying that the answer to this 12 divided by 3 times the product of 5 minus 3 squared is equals to 1. Those who are sending loves, thank you so much. Honestly, thank you for subscribing. I really count on you. Watching from North America. I really appreciate you for supporting the live. Welcome next time. Don't miss this live stream. We have several of them and a brain teaser indeed as we share one-on-one. Thank you so much. So for this case, so many are getting 1 or 16. So it depends with so many factors. How is North America? Obviously, thank you for turning on the notification. I'm really glad for your support. I'm really glad for your support. Tomorrow I'm gonna count on you. We shall have a series of tricky BODMAS challenge to this. So guys, those who are coming for the first time, we are getting the answer. Like our live, turn the notification as outslays. I've done it. And then you're gonna really appreciate. Where are you watching from? Are you watching from or Australia or Africa or in the US or in the UK? Shubham Soni, hello and welcome. Where are you watching from? Your feedback. And indeed, you are saying the answer is 16. The answer is 16. I really appreciate that. Emeka Rex Onwa, welcome to this live. Thank you for turning your notification on. Support our live. You can support our live by liking. Give us a super chat, a super thanks. We shall really appreciate. So we have 12. We have 12 divided by 3. Emeka Rex, where are you watching from? Thank you for coming through and giving us your feedback. We're gonna really appreciate. Shall really appreciate. So we are given 12 divided by 3, and then in bracket 5. So guys, just comment where you are watching from. How do we get the solution to 12 divided by 3 times 5 minus 3 squared? Thank you, Shubham. Son. Thank you, Emecorex. Thank you, Outslays. Thank you, Outslays. Really appreciate you. Just where do you think you are watching this live from? If you're given 12 divided by 3, then in bracket 5 minus 3 squared, Flabaja, you're saying that your answer is 1. Welcome. Where are you watching from? Show us how you're getting 1. Flabaj, you're saying that all answers lead to 1. Damian Price. Damian Price, hello. You're saying that the answer is 1. The answer is 16. answer is 16. Damian Price, welcome. Kindly like the live, subscribe, support by sending a super chat, support by commenting. We're gonna appreciate. Dr. Huada or Druhuda, you're saying 16. Welcome. What could be the answer to this? 12 divided by 3. How Huada or Druhuda on Damian? What is the possible solution to this? Mechanics on why getting 16. This math challenge has made mathematicians argue here because others are getting 1, others are getting 16. So who agrees that this should be 16? Or who agrees that the solution to this should be 1? So Damian Price, welcome. You're saying what could be the answer? So this is a typical controversial equation. Others are getting 16 and others are getting 1. So we are yet to know the actual answer to this. So this is a typical controversial equation. Given that 12 divided by 3 times 5 minus 3 Miguel Guvera, you are welcome. Thank you for liking the live. And you're saying that the answer is 16. Why is this answer not 1? Nameless, you're welcome. You're saying that the output is 16. This question people have argued here. So Nameless, thank you for coming. Please like, subscribe, turn your notification on so that tomorrow's live stream you don't stop getting notification. Nameless, you explained this well, that 12 divided by 3 is actually 4. Then 4 multiplied by, of course, this is 2 squared is 4. So this 4 times this 4, we're going to get 16. Thank you, Nameless. Where are you watching from? Thank you for coming through. I really appreciate you for coming. Indeed, we really appreciate you for coming. And why are others getting 1? Other people are getting 1 to this tutorial equation. Others are getting 16. Like Miguel is saying the answer is 16. Nameless is also saying the answer is 16. It demonstrated to us, really demonstrated how we're going to get 16. Earlier we had Dr. Huda. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for liking the live. Really appreciate everyone. So we are at 1,711 subscribers. We have 1,711 subscribers. Shelly Rampaz. Shelly Rampasad. How are you? Welcome. Shelly is saying answer is 1. So guys, how do you get 1 from 12 divided by 3 multiplied by 5 minus 3 to the squared Shelly, welcome. Please explain to us how we are getting one here. Damian is saying, Shelly, kindly help us. We're gonna get one in this typical equation. Shelly is still there. Welcome, Shelly. You can subscribe, like. You can also turn your notifications on. Turn the notification on here. Shelly. So we have Shelly is saying the answer is 1 for this equation, and then we have Nameless. Nameless, you're saying that the answer is 16. The answer is 16. So guys, where do we stand at? Some are saying 1, some are saying 16. So you who is watching, please comment. Support by subscribing. Where are you watching this tutorial from? We have series of math puzzles, BODMAS challenge. In our previous lives, we have Olympiad math questions solved tutorials on our videos. So you're gonna check them out. We shall really appreciate. You're gonna check them out. We have, so guys, you can support the live by super chatting us so that we purchase a camera or a stand. We're gonna really appreciate here. We shall really appreciate. Who else is watching? Where are you watching from? What is the solution? Are you watching in London? I know it's almost 9 p.m. London. Those who are at, I know it's around 4 there, 4 p.m. If you're watching from Lagos, you're also at around 9 p.m. So what is the solution to 12 divided by 3 times 5 minus 3 squared? Do we have an alternative solution to 1 or 16? Do we have alternative solution to this? Kindly comment, leave a reply here. What do you think the solution is? Miguel said 16. Nameless also said 16. Shelly got 1. And we really appreciate that. We really appreciate that. If you're new, kindly subscribe to our channel. Leave there a comment. You can leave for us a nice comment there. You know that 12 divided by 3 in bracket 5 minus 3 squared have several approaches to tackling this equation. It has several approaches to tackling it. Good morning, those who are in Australia. I know it's already 7 a.m. Good morning on the other side. Where are you watching us? Who else is watching us? This BODMAS challenge. Others are getting 1 and others are getting 16. Others are getting 1, others are getting 16. You can kindly comment. Those who are finding it necessary to like, thank you so much. You can leave a chat and a super thanks to support our move. To support our move here. So this question can have two typical equations. Others are getting 1 and others are getting 16. Which other solution can we get? Which one is different from this? Welcome. If you're new here, we have a tricky BODMAS challenge. Can you solve this? Kolo, I don't think so. You're saying your answer is 1. You really appreciate you for coming through. Show us how you're gonna get 1. Show us how we're gonna get 1 in this typical equation. How do we get 1? Others are getting 16, while others are getting 1. So Kolo, kindly like the live. Where are you watching from? Please subscribe. You're gonna turn your notification on. Watch a series of BODMAS equation live stream. And each one of them we're gonna like. Please subscribe, like. And then you leave there a very nice comment. A very nice comment. And then you're really gonna appreciate. Kolo, welcome. You're saying that first we're gonna tackle the bracket, which is 5 minus 3. And the power, so that is 5 minus 3. I'm gonna get 2. 2 squared is 4. And then multiply. Then multiplying 4 times 3 is 12. Then you're saying finally we do division. So 12 divided by 12. Automatically we're gonna end up with 1. Shall have 1 Overman. Overman, welcome. You are saying that the answer to this live is 16. Green health area. Oh, how are you, green health? How are you? Welcome to this live stream. It's been a long while. We are here with some BODMAS challenge. I really feel good seeing green health. in my live stream. Thank you for coming through. Can you solve this? Is it easy on you? I know you don't. I know you love mathematics. Welcome so much, Green Health area. You really mentored us to where we are. And we pray for more blessings to you. Pray for more blessings. We have St. Call. St. Call is saying the answer is 16. Green Health, I'm waiting for your solution. Can you tackle this? Green Health is saying amen, and to you too. I really appreciate. Soon we're gonna celebrate our success. And we're gonna appreciate with you, and we're gonna celebrate with you. Thank you so much for coming. Hope Tatai. Hope Tatai, you're saying the solution here is 16. Same as Sin Call. Wow, congratulations, Green Health. I didn't know you can tackle this as easy as this. You've really hit it right. You have really hit this right. Thank you so much. It is a very controversial equation where others are getting 1 as the solution and others are getting 16 as the solution. So Green Health area, you've shown us your mathematical skills and mathematical tactics that you can do it. Hope Tatai, where are you watching from? Kindly you can like this live, leave a nice comment, turn your notification on so that tomorrow whenever we have a live stream, you're gonna get a notification. You can support us by sending a super chat over this live stream, and we shall really appreciate. So who else is watching? Thanks so much those who are giving it a thumbs up. And leaving it alive or a love. Those who are giving it a heart. We really appreciate. Keep up. You want to take the live to 20 likes. So don't forget to like. Don't forget to like this live. Here we have a very controversial equation. It depends others are starting from this side. Others are tackling it from this other side. So where do we start? Do we start from left to right? Or left or right to left? Where should we tackle this? Left to right or right to left? Left, right, or right, left? Those viewers who are from the US, you are highly welcome. You are very, very much welcome. Those in the UK, in London, you are very, very much welcome. We have Navan, Krishna, Vanda Krishna. Welcome. Turn notification on, subscribe, and you can like the live. You're saying your answer is 16. I really, really appreciate. We are at 1,712 subscribers, and we are in the road to 2K subscribers. Mosuz, hello and how are you? Pusula, can you tackle this BODMAS challenge? Is it easier? Do we tackle it from left to right or from right to left? I have a German math Olympiad. I also uploaded it today, a nice tutorial. Don't forget to go and like it and watch it. I uploaded today a very nice German Olympiad math tutorial. You wanna check it out? Leave there a very nice comment and an alternative approach to it. Muruz Sola, thank you for the subscription. Thank you so much. Really appreciate. What do you think the solution is? What do you think the solution is? For 12 divided by 3 times 5 minus 3 squared. Others are getting it as 1. Others are getting it as 12 or 16. Those who are watching for the first time, support by sending a super chat. We shall really appreciate. You can like the live, comment where you're watching from, turn your notifications on. Anam Alexander, thank you. You're saying your answer is 16. really appreciate. Where are you watching us from? Where are you watching this live from? You can leave a comment. You can leave a comment there. A very nice controversial equation. Is the answer 1 or 16? Thank you so much, Morsus. Thank you, Anna Alexander. Where are you watching this from? Those who are watching from the US, you're highly welcome. Like the live, leave a comment. What could be the solution to this? What could be the solution to this BODMAS puzzle or BODMAS challenge? What do you think the answer is? Remember to like the live, turn your notification on. What is the solution? Is it 1? You can support by sending a super chat, super thanks, so that we grow our channel. Remember to subscribe. You can like the live, you can watch my new release. Today I uploaded a new month Olympiad. Don't forget to watch it out. And kindly leave a comment there. I will really appreciate. I'll really appreciate. So turn it tomorrow, same time. Same time tomorrow, we're gonna call another live stream. I really appreciate everyone here. Who is finding it necessary to subscribe to our channel, watch the new release on the Olympiad Maths. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for those who are finding time to watch the new release on the Olympiad Math on my videos. Those who are liking, I really appreciate. Those who are liking, I really appreciate. Is the answer 1? Is the answer 1 or 16? For this typical Olympiad BODMAS challenge, what do you guys think of? Can the answer be 1? Or do we tackle it from left to right, or right, left, right, or right, left? Kindly comment, how do we approach this equation? Is it from left to right or right to left? Do we get 1? Or do we get 16?